Duit YouTube, conas tátu, again, it's been about 2 weeks since my last vlog, so I'm trying not to let it become a recurring theme, but it kind of is. That's just the way of it, I suppose. Unfortunately, I will try and do better. To catch you up on the last 2 weeks since my last vlog, Mam and I went up to Cavan. The day we went up, there was a group called CNS Variety Group from Ballyfermot, and they were doing a show that evening to kind of do a finish off for their week and present prizes and things like that. So we went up and we got situated in our accommodation, which was lovely Ross House Equestrian Centre. I'll put a few pictures and things in there. The funniest thing, well, not the funniest, but the best thing that I saw when I was there was this little sign on the window in our bathroom. It's kind of, okay, if they want to, that's fine. You know, turns out there's about 4 or 5 cats that live there, as well as several dogs, and they just come and go as they please. Don't know if they're actual pets or just feral cats that happen to be living around the stable, but they don't mind because they keep some mice away and things like that. So, and they're all very friendly. So Mam and I are used to cats anyway and dogs, so it's fine, no problem for us. Room was very comfortable, I have to say. It was very well laid out. It was a lovely conservatory. We spent our evenings there most evenings. Mam and I went walking. Mam and I went walking up to Tona, where we do the kayaking, which I'll show you here. That's one of the shores on Loch Sheelin. I was going to say Loch Ennell there for a second, but I don't know why. Also, we were accompanied by this black Newfoundland dog, about the size of a small Shetland pony, who just saw us walking down the road and decided to follow us. Played with him a bit at the lake. Apparently he likes to just kind of lie down in the lake and kind of going, okay, fair enough. Then when we left to go on walking, he just followed us all the way to the nearest town, which was, all in all, from where we were staying to the nearest town was about 7-8 km. So the dog got a good walk, and so did we. So that was fun. Once we got there, we kind of got ice cream and chilled out, and I tried to phone a taxi to take us into Virginia to get dinner and things like that, and just have a wander around Virginia. But just couldn't get signal. Ended up going down to the garage where we fill the minibuses up in work and just asked could I use their phone. They said yeah, that's fine, no problem. So that was grand. The next day we went to the mountain called well, I say a mountain, it's more of a hill, called Mullameen, where we do all our hill walking in the centre, and it's lovely. It's all got its designated paths, and you can kind of go off on one and take another one and end up back where you started. So it's nice. It's good like that. Not a bad walk, I have to say. Good 10 km easy from the centre. 3 from the centre to the hill. Further about 3 or 4 going around the hill, and then 3 back. So yeah, it was a good 10 km all in all. So we were quite well exercised by the end of the weekend. So yeah. But no, it was good fun. Really enjoyed getting away. It was nice just to spend time in Cavan doing nothing, you know, not having to work, not having to worry about anything else, just chill out, do whatever I like, and Mam enjoyed it too. It was a nice break for her. So yeah, I think we'll do it again probably in a month or 2. That's Cavan. That's my Mam and I going to Cavan. What else has happened since then? I went to the March for Marriage Equality. Yeah, that was good fun. I went last year and there was lots of noise, lots of people, lots of excitement, lots of energy, lots of passion, And this year it was the same. But there just didn't seem to be as much noise. There was lots of passion, lots of, this is what we really need. This is the defining issue at the moment. This is what history will remember people for. But there just didn't seem to be that much noise. I don't know whether most LGBT couples in this country are jaded with the fact of trying to campaign, or maybe it's the fact that we know we're having the referendum next year. I don't know. Either way, it was good to go and reaffirm my support for marriage equality. Met a few people, met my friends, met a couple of the lads from the Adventure Club. Yeah, it was just a really good evening. Ended up spending the night in a bar talking politics and then just general everything with a couple of really good guys. So, yeah, really good fun. So that's the March for Marriage Equality. Another cool thing that happened to me was I went to my first YouTube gathering, which was really good fun. It was really nice to meet other Irish YouTubers and just talk about videos and people that we like on YouTube, things we don't like on YouTube, the recent changes that have been happening to YouTube. Thank you, Google. Gur mil magat. Words do not describe how I feel about your changes recently. So, yes, gur magat. But, yeah, so that was really good fun. We just spent the day in town hanging out. It was really good. So, yeah, so, Diagwitch, everybody. Hope you find this video as interesting to watch as I am finding it to make it. So, I'll put this little clip that I got. I didn't really get much footage, which is kind of surprising. I really should do that differently next time. Just this little clip of us hanging around Central Bank. Yeah, here you go. Are we gonna witness some of this?
No, just bend over. Just do it, please.
That's not his first time you started that.
You gotta pull your arms forward more.
Okay, see you guys later. Have fun. Bye.
Bye. I think his back needs practice. Is that what they're trying to do?
That's the lower back. You need to get the upper back.
Yeah.
Yeah, the upper back. Hit the wrong one. That's what that's doing.
Apart from get you off, what does that do?
Someone record this. Someone crack my back.
Finally, we got a dog. Well, I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, Mom's been wanting a dog for ages. So, with a lot of searching and a lot of kind of disappointment, we went to Dogs Trust and we found dogs that we liked, but they didn't like me. And for the simple reason, I'm a man. That's it. They don't get on well with men. They need an awful lot of attention as well, which is kind of hard when I'm out of the house most of the week. Kate is out of the house most of the week, and my mum is out every day working. So, being in the house on our own, it just wasn't going to work out. So we've got a dog now. We were supposed to get a puppy. The man who's selling us the puppy, his kids got very attached to it, understandably. So we now have a 1-year-old miniature Jack Russell called Honey. Why did that take so long? Yes, Honey. So without further ado, here's Miss Honey herself. Honey. Honey. Honey, come here. Honey. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on, honey. Come here. No.
Come on. No?
Nope, apparently not. So yeah, Honey's being a bit devish this evening. She doesn't want to be seen on the camera. She doesn't want to meet her adoring public. Oh well, what can you do? I just want to finish by saying gur maith to everyone that has come to the Cabin Centre since I started working there. Everyone from the Allen Wood and Crumlin Scouts all the way up to CNS, St Mary's, the Ryan family, TOPS, the Outdoor Pursuits programme. Too many to name, but gur maith Guderish for coming and making my work easy, enjoyable, a little bit hard, but overall easy and enjoyable. Finally, I just want to say that I have 2 more videos that I have to get done, and I'd like to get them done pretty soon. I got tagged by Kieran Tunge. If you watch this, Kieran, would you please tell me how to pronounce your name? I think it's Tunge, by the way it's spelt. Anyway, I got tagged by him to do the bucket list, so I'm working on that. I pretty much have my list done, I just have to record it now. Another one is a viewer of mine named Jenny has sent me a list of music to review. They're all just bands that she likes and she wants a review of them, so I'm working on it, Jenny. Be patient with me. It's a lot of work. I'll get there eventually and it will be up. I'll get it done next month before the end. We'll see what happens. I have 2 weeks off from work starting next Friday. I also have the staff night out that Friday night. So I have a few bits and pieces on that I want to do over those 2 weeks. I've recharge to do with Scouting Ireland up in Castle Saunderson, which should be great crack. Never been to Castle Saunderson, never been to recharge, so fun. I'm going with the LGBT Fellowship Patrol as well, so it's kind of our big launch as well. So yeah, I mean it's all going to be busy, but I will get work done and I will get YouTube done. Thanks again to everybody for watching. Thanks for everyone. Gur maith to everyone for sticking around with me. Thanks to everyone for a great YouTube meetup yesterday. There is another one coming. Stay tuned for information on that. And finally, I just wanted to say sorry for this being such a very long video. I won't let it go 2 weeks before I vlog again. It's just it can't be easy for you to watch. It's going to be fun to edit. So gur maith everybody. Gur míle maith agus slán go fóill.